Hi, my name is George Fotopoulos, and I am currently working with CRSC as a site supervisor / project manager. We are currently at 75 Woodrow Court here in Whitby, Ontario, where we are currently building a 4-story, 40,000 square foot building. To date, we have currently completed all the civil work, and we are now focusing more on the structure of the building and completing its exterior before moving to the inside where all the finishes will be put in place.
My name's Sean Oldman. I'm the Health and Safety Officer with CRSC. I'm here to make sure safety is priority number one, along with production and quality. Our trades are currently boosting material into the building before we close in the building envelope, putting materials on each floor in their allocated locations. Currently, our sprinkler team is installing life safety devices. Our mechanical team is installing the hydronic loop, along with air handlers. Our architectural team is doing interior fit-out walls. Our electricians are currently working on installing electrical for both base building and each specific client on each floor.
The building is ready for windows and our Mitrex system, which is a solar system we have gone with to introduce power into the building, which will help with its efficiency for many years to come.
CRSC, built for business, engineered for the future.